Hi, I'm Miss Prep, your English tutor. Band 8 vocabulary is not about using big, scary words. It's about smart swaps. No memorizing lists. No weird words you'd never say out loud. You already know the basic word. I'm going to show you how to swap it for a higher level word that sounds natural, fits the sentence, and actually gets you marks. Let's take the word problem and swap it for some higher level items. Global warming is an issue we can no longer ignore. He is facing a dilemma as each solution brings consequences. We have many obstacles to overcome if we are to make a go of our relationship. Now the word improve. Strawberries enhance the flavor of the champagne. The new law ameliorated working conditions for the workers at the factory. Need. Having a proficiency in English is a requirement of the job. His illness necessitates constant medical care. The issue calls for immediate steps to be taken. The word show. He started to exhibit symptoms of the disease in his late teens. He demonstrated his talent by beating the world's top players. Important. It was crucial for him to remain calm and not lose his cool. The inclusion of the rookie in the team was a significant step in his career. Next, the word small. He made a mistake, but his was deemed as a minor one, so he just got a telling off. His contribution this season has been insignificant. I am not sure he should be on the first team. Help. This meeting will facilitate communication between staff members. I will assist you with your presentation, just tell me what you need. The final word for today is decrease. There has been a dramatic reduction in the cost of steel. We have witnessed a decline in demand for the new electric bike we are offering.